These high-yield dividend stocks are great choices today. In a tricky market, these top dividend stocks with high yield and growth offer a safe harbor. Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior. It's become far more profitable with the upturn in commodity prices. National Storage Affiliates Trust. It's likely to be a winner even as demand normalizes. Ecopetrol. Shares yield more than 9% amid excessive pessimism. Let's dive in. Here are the 3 high-yield dividend stocks to buy for income and growth. Welcome to Timely Investment Research. Uncertainty is running high amid surging inflation, rising interest rates, geopolitical concerns, a potential recession, and a looming debt ceiling crisis. If you're nervous, you're not alone. Some may choose to sit on the sidelines. Yet, there's no telling how long this uncertainty will last. Investors looking to put capital to work may want to consider high-yield dividend stocks that also offer growth potential. This way, they can collect income even if the broader market struggles to find its footing in 2023. So, for investors interested in the best dividend stocks for income and growth, I offer up the following 3 names. Number 1. Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior. The Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior, or BLADEX for short, is a specialized bank that engages in the financing of foreign trade in 23 countries in Latin America and the Caribbean. BLADEX is based in Panama and was founded in 1977. Rising inflation has been a boon to the bank, driving up prices for commodities such as gold, copper, livestock, and silver, and allowing BLADEX to earn more facilitating loans on that commerce. BLADEX offers short-term loans to companies such as shippers that export goods from Latin America to the rest of the world. The bank reported first-quarter results on April 18th. Its net profit soared 232% year-over-year to $37 million. Meanwhile, net interest income rose for the 8th quarter in a row to $52.6 million, which was more than double the year-ago figure. And revenue jumped 96% from a year earlier to $59.2 million. We'd have carefully executed a well-thought-out strategy designed to capitalize on the strong upside potential of BLADEX's unique business model while leveraging the current macro scenario. BLADEX Chief Executive Officer George Salas said, "We remain committed to enhancing the bank's profitability in 2023 by prioritizing strategic investments and operational efficiency." The majority of Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior shares are controlled by Latin American central banks. However, if you become one of the minority shareholders, you'll be getting a fat 5.6% dividend yield. And while just 2 analysts cover the stock, both rated a buy, with their median price target of $29.10 implying upside of 59%. So I'd say Banco Latinoamericano de Comercio Exterior qualifies as one of the best dividend stocks for income and growth. Number 2. National Storage Affiliates Trust. Real estate investment trusts offer an opportunity for investors to generate income as they typically distribute at least 90% of their income to their unitholders. While many REITs may continue to struggle amid the economic slowdown and Federal Reserve tightening cycle, such as those focused on office space or shopping malls, others are likely to be more insulated. One sector within the REIT space that comes to mind is public storage. Pandemic-related trends drove an increase in demand for self-storage. These included the work-from-home movement, as well as more people relocating and remodeling. But as demand began to normalize in the latter part of 2022, storage REITs took a hit. Yet, the long-term outlook for the sector is bullish. Patience will be required over the next several quarters as expectations adjust to the post-pandemic normalization, but we continue to like the longer-term prospects for the storage sector given the stickiness of demand, strong balance sheets, low capex needs, and impressive operational track record. In this space, I like National Storage Affiliates Trust, one of the country's largest owners and operators of self-storage facilities. It has 1,117 self-storage properties located in 42 states and Puerto Rico with around 72.8 million rentable square feet. The rate is down 23% over the past year and about 4% since late January, when Hoya Capital said the soft patch for storage REITs had yet to be fully discounted. National Storage Affiliates Trust isn't getting a lot of love from analysts at the moment. Just 3 of the 12 covering the stock rate at a buy. However, the average analyst target price of $43.36 is 13% above where shares currently trade, while they throw off a 5.8% yield. I think the sell-off in National Storage Affiliates Trust over the past year represents a buying opportunity for income-oriented growth investors. Number 3. Ecopetrol. Ecopetrol is the state-operated oil company of Colombia. The Colombian government owns 88.5% of the company's shares. As such, the company is well maintained. In the first 3 months of the year, Ecopetrol produced 719,400 barrels of oil equivalent per day and refined a record 412,000 barrels of oil per day on average. While first quarter net profit fell 14% year over year on higher costs and falling crude prices, earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization was up 12.2% from a year ago, while sales increased 19.7% thanks to higher volumes and a positive exchange rate. In addition to its oil assets, Ecopetrol owns the largest solar plant in Colombia. In January, the company announced it is partnering with Total Eren to build a solar photovoltaic farm in Colombia with nearly 100 megawatt peak of capacity. Down nearly 40% over the past 12 months, shares currently trade at just 3.5 times earnings and selling seems overdone. Even a move back to the stock's 2023 highs, around $12 per share, would mean a gain of more than 30% for investors. While the company only pays a dividend annually, it paid out nearly 83 cents per share last month for a yield of 9.1%. Thanks for spending some time with us today, Timely Investment Research. We're so glad you did. If you found value in today's video, please give us a like, hit that bell icon to never miss an upload, and hey, don't forget to subscribe.